Now approaching Amtrak Floridian, southbound of Palm Beach County, Florida. Only about an hour late today. Definitely led by an ALC charger. Under heat restrictions, so it's only doing 65 miles per hour. So I think it was about, if it's doing 65, it's got a little bit more than a minute to get here, so it was about 2 miles away when I started the video. Silver Meteor just came through a half an hour ago. It was also led by an ALC charger. Get a horn here soon. More here a little to the right. Go. Amtrak Floridian, southbound in Palm Beach County, Florida. Wait to see if we get the reverse Doppler here. All right, there we have it.